My name is Atanu Maity. I'm the CEO of the Extrusion division of our company, Kabra Extrusion Technique. Kabra Extrusion Technique is a very old company and contributing to nation building products for a long time, for nearly 50 years plus. Our two main products lines are one, different kinds of pipe made out of PVC, polypropylene, high density, medium density, and these are used for infrastructure, then construction, agriculture, gas, whatever you can think of in pipe. We are all telecommunication. All these machines that we make are making all these products. The other division is making films, blown films in particular, that go for, again, for food packaging, agriculture, mulch film, different types of packing materials, some thick, some thin. So these are the main products of our company, and we've been serving the nation for so long with these nation building products. I think HIPLEX has been okay, right? As in many customers are coming. Since we are known to the market, a lot of people are coming to see us, and because of the word of mouth, many other people are coming to see us. I think it's been fine. The organization is fine. The site is very clean, and the facilities are very nice. The AC and everything is fine. The mobile works, because many fairs, the mobile actually doesn't work. So I think that's a very important factor to keep in mind, and I'm pleased that it has gone well so far. And you can see it's nearly 6:30, and we're still sitting and talking to customers. You're welcome.